is Ruby, and I'm the marketing manager of HeliDubai. HeliDubai is committed to ensure your safety, and it has always been our priority. With the pandemic that we are facing at the moment, we double your protection while taking the tour. Let me show you the sanitization process. The helicopters are sanitized before and after flight operations. Proper disinfection of the passenger seats, seat belts, headphones, and door handles are carried out after each flight. Our pilots wear masks at all times. The premises are cleaned and sanitized on daily basis. All seats, door handles, and washrooms are sanitized. Hand sanitizers are available all throughout the premises. Life jackets are sanitized after each use. Lockers are cleaned and disinfected frequently. Our check-in procedures are as follows. Temperature is checked at the entrance. Passengers are required to wear face masks at all times. Passengers have to follow seat and floor markings and maintain social distance. Contactless check-in is in place. Safety briefing will be done with limited number of passengers at a time. In HeliDubai, we provide high-quality service with safe, clean, and healthy environment while you enjoy the experience of a lifetime. We are now ready to fly you.